Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Speakerwoman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start with the circle for the speaker. Now let's hop inside and let's add another circle for the border. And then a smaller circle in the middle. Next, let's hop outside and let's draw a square around the circle. And then inside on the top left corner, let's add another small circle. And that's it for the first speaker. Now let's move to the sides and add some skinny rectangle ones. Let's start by drawing lines out. And then close it off on the sides. Now inside each of these, let's add 2 circles. And that's it for the side speakers. Now let's add the headphones. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it out from the top and bottom. And then another curve to close it off. Then let's draw a curve down the center. Now let's hop over, let's leave a gap, and let's draw another small rectangle. And then let's add curves on top and the bottom. And lastly, for the headphones, let's draw 2 curves across the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a V shape. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and out for the shoulders. Now from under the shoulders, let's bring it down and then curve it towards the center on both sides. Now in the middle section, let's add the shirt details. From the bottom of the V, let's draw angles up and out for the collar of the shirt. And then 2 lines down the center. Now let's move outside and let's draw the collar of the jacket. Let's start from the shoulder and let's draw angled lines down and in. Then angle out underneath. And then curve it back in towards the center. Now let's hop out and draw the sides of the jacket. We'll start next to the collar here and let's draw a line down and then curve it in. And the same on the right. Then let's curve it down and out on both sides. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a line down. And then curve it out and over to close off each side of the jacket. And then let's add 2 circles on the left side in the center for the buttons. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the shoulder line, let's bring it down on both sides. And then angle it out slightly. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off the bottom of each sleeve with a curve across. Now underneath, let's add another skinny rectangle. And then let's add the hands. We'll start with a curve for the thumb and on the right. Then bring it down, over, and back up for the rest of the hands. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the jacket in the center and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right. Then underneath, let's draw 2 curved lines down and out for the inside of the legs. And the same thing for the outside. And now let's close off each pant leg at the bottom. And lastly, let's add the feet at the bottom. From the inside, let's draw a curve down. Then move over to the outside and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. Then at the end, another small curve down. Now let's hop back to the inside and let's bring it over and up for the heels. Then let's curve it down. And then a line across each one to close off each foot. Lastly, let's hop back up and let's draw the speaker on her back. Let's start under the inner arm and let's draw a line down and in on both sides. And that's it for Speakerwoman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!